AYÉ Palace Yoruba Heritage. Previously on Ori from AYÉ Palace. But the truth from Orun is quiet. One day I will show you the difference.
Welcome to a new episode. Our story continues from the sacred realms of AYÉ àti ÒRUN. And now, the word you have been waiting for. Continue.
That night, something unusual began. Sometimes, when AYÉ becomes quiet, Orun begins to speak. This light comes from the place where our spirits began.
From Orun?
Yes, where the ancestors guide us.
Where did we come from?
Not every dream comes from imagination. Some dreams come from memory.
Where am I? Where am I?
Túndé, this is Orun, the realm of our ancestors. Their light guides us, even in the quiet dawn. You are seeing what many people forget. This place is Orun.
Baba, is this heaven?
No, this is where truth lives. Before a person enters AYÉ, they first pass through Orun. In Orun, every life has purpose. But when people reach AYÉ, the noise makes them forget. That is why Ori exists. Ori remembers what AYÉ forgets. Ori is the divine connection between the physical world of AYÉ and the state realm of Orun.
So Ori connects AYÉ and Orun?
Yes. Not every lesson comes from the marketplace. Some lessons come from where life begins. Welcome to Orun, the realm of our ancestors. Here, the river of light reveals our true path. Listen to the whispers of the light. Feel the light. It is the wisdom of our ancestors. Listen and carry this light within you. This is the realm of Túndé. It holds our ancestors' wisdom. AYÉ tests you. Orun remembers you. But your Ori guides you.